Hi everybody, this is Kim coming to you from Bangkok. Boy, yeah, it looks like I've been skinny dipping or dumped in the pool, right? It is smoldering hot. And I have wiped my face several times, put my hair back. Oh my gosh, it's so hot. And because I pretty much been out all morning, and it's in the afternoon for me, but you guys are still sleeping. It's about a quarter to 2 p.m., which means it's a quarter to 2 p.m., 2 a.m. where you are. So I got some fruit here that I want to share with you, and I got the paper. I just want to show you the newspaper that I got. It's always the Bangkok Post that I kind of, like to read, and because I always like to read what's going on in the towns that I'm in. And so as you can see, this is English newspaper, and they have it as well in their language, which is Thai. All right. So anyway, there's a couple of fruit that one fruit I didn't know what it was the other day. I posted it and I was like, I don't know what this fruit is, but it's called a fitzsimmons. So I'm gonna just show you this fruit here. See if I could get a better picture of it. Let's see. I'm hoping that you can see. There you go. Okay, so the orange one that looks like a tomato, it's called the fitzsimmons. And that little bitty small one, I have no idea what that is, but oh my gosh, it's so good. I am going to open it up and share with you. So the fitzsimmons, basically, you rinse them off. So I rinsed them both off, and this fruit is so darn good. Basically, you just cut off here and cut the bottom, but I'm just gonna start slicing it up just to show you that it's really good, and I'll get the rest later. I just want to show you. See that? Yeah. And you just eat it just like that, all of it. Yeah. Oh, it's so sweet. It has the crunchiness of a carrot and an apple. It's sweet, has its own taste. Oh, now this, I don't know the name of it, but talking about good, let me show you. So you cut it down like that. Okay, then you peel it out. See that white in there? That's the heart of it, and that's what's really good. So let's see, I want to break that open just so you can see that inside. Oh yeah, we're gonna get to the center of that. Yep, it's good. And let's take that out. Okay, now you have this little thing, and it kind of looks like garlic. It's not garlic, but it looks like garlic. So you take that. Oh my gosh, that's so good. Man, this is really good. It's sweet. It has its own taste. Yeah, got its own taste. Hey. I don't know the name of this fruit, but it's certainly good. Very good. And so I just wanted to share that with you. It's the exotic fruit of Thailand, here in Bangkok. Some fruit that I've never really had before, but this fitzsimmon, I guess the fitzsimmon is so good. Okay. This is Kim from Reality Travel. Suitcase Traveler out. SUITE TRAVERLER. Thank you for watching. Bye.